Stretching wires. This tool can be used when you want to just stretch or connect end of the wire portion to the nearest components or another wire. To do so, in the Edit Wires Wire Numbers panel of the Schematic tab, select the Stretch Wire tool. You will be requested to select end of the wire. Then, choose the end of your desired wire and the selected wire is connected to the nearest component or another wire automatically. Then press Escape or Enter to exit the tool. Now I want to show you another example. At this time, I'm going to connect the end of wire to another wire. So, choose the Stretch tool. Select the end of wire which is near to another wire. And as you see, the selected wire has been connected automatically. Another way to select the modified tools of wire is by right-clicking on the wire. For example, just choose the wire that you want to work on it. Then right-click on it, and here many tools are available. So without going through the ribbon, we can select our desired tool, such as trimming, stretching, also inserting wires, and so on. For example, I choose the trimming and the command will be done. Note that in this method, you just choose the wire before selecting the tool. I mean, this is the difference between selecting the tool from the ribbon and choosing it just by right-clicking on the wire.